What's up, everybody? So I am so excited to show y'all the Sofrito video thing I've been working on. I just had a couple things to say before I went ahead and started this video. So before y'all drag me, this is my personal recipe for Sofrito. This is the way that I make it. Everybody does it differently. But with that being said, let's go ahead and start this video. Boom, so this is what you'll need. Alright, so once you got everything, let's get it. So you want to start off by filling a pan or a container with water. I like to throw in some apple cider vinegar in there. So you just want to wash these all up, give it a nice quick rinse down. Now, I started cutting the ají peppers before, but as you can see, this is taking too long. So we're just gonna put that down and, okay, yeah, much better. So we're gonna remove the seeds and the stems, wash it up and set it to the side. And we're just gonna do that same process with everything else. Boom. So we're gonna peel and slice our onions and garlic and set that to the side and admire the beauty of everything. Isn't this so beautiful? Alright, I'm excited. So let's get it. I'm gonna grab the blender, throw everything in there. I did it in quarters because why not? If you want to put it all together at once, hey, that's totally up to you. Alright, boom. So we're gonna just add everything else. Oh, all right, well, blend that up again. All right, now we're gonna put cilantro and culantro and the green onion. And the last step, literally, guys, is to season it how you like. It's all up to you. Okay, I promise I'm done blending. But this is the consistency you're looking for. So grab a container, you wanna throw it in there. Now it's ready for you to freeze it and use it as you please. So that was my sofrito video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, let me know if y'all like it. Peace!